Stay safe, happy learning. A microphone is a sound transducer. It is a special type of pressure transducer using medium pressure measurement. There can be various kinds of microscope, that is dynamic microscope, condenser microscope, inductor microscope, then piezoelectric microscope, then carbon microscope. We know that when its coil is rotated or changes its location in between magnetic field, an EMF shall be generated there. The same principle is used here in microscope also. As said earlier, microphone is a special type of pressure transducer using medium pressure measurement. Invariably, the sensing element is a diaphragm. C is a diaphragm. See the diaphragm here in this picture. When a pressure is created by virtue of sound, this diaphragm senses the pressure and converts it into electrical signal, and that electrical signal is amplified to make the sound loud. A variety of transduction elements are available there. The range of pressure to be measured is normally very, very small compared to the ambient or atmospheric pressure, even for the most intense sound. The desirable characteristic of this transducer is linearity over a wide range of amplitude of sound and frequency of sound. Sound pressure levels are normally expressed in logarithmic units called dB. dB or decibel. So what is a decibel? For a reference pressure P0, reference pressure P0 and measured pressure P. For a reference pressure of P0 and measured pressure of P, the pressure level will be on diaphragm will be 20 log to the base 10 P by P0. Here it means that for the sensitivity of minus 20 dB means that .1 volt will be created. The reference of 20 decibels has been taken because human ear cannot listen a sound level below 20 dB. This is almost a whispering sound, and 90 dB or 90 decibel is a threshold sound which a human ear can tolerate. As I already said earlier, the types of microphones are carbon microphone, capacitive microphone, dynamic microphones, inductive microphones, and piezoelectric microphones. Thank you. Stay safe. Happy learning. Please like, please comment, and check your subscriptions so that you don't miss next video from this channel. Thank you. Stay safe. Happy learning.